my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Y'all, it's your boy LSR254. You tune in for another one. Make sure you click that like, comment, and subscribe. Finna get into this video right here. We got the old compressor pulled out. It's finna go on the Glory. I might try to throw it on the marketplace, but honestly, hell, I could just put the put it on marketplace, man. See what happened. Shit, to tell them should I upgrade it to a big one. I mean, it worked. It just tripped my breaker. So it's something that's going on with it. I price it low so I don't feel fucked up. You know what I'm saying? Let them know that's what it is. Or, cause y'all know how I hate fucking dealing with hacklers and people be like, "Oh, meet me halfway," and you know what? Fuck all that. We finna just put this bitch on the curb. A Reba Dirty motherfucker. And we will open. I am gonna do an unboxing. Hashtag this is the unboxing video. The new one here. We just gotta go return. Just gotta go return this other one right quick. Yeah. Yeah. Tomorrow trash day too. This is the perfect timing with oh shit. I'll do that when I come back. I got my keys. Yeah, I'll do that when I come back. So, I did like kind of a not necessarily a torture test, but to make sure that the compressor would do what I needed it to do. It did. My buddy let me use his. Everything worked out, turned out great. So I went in and grabbed me one. And when I get back from over there, we'll do the unboxing. All right, so we back at the crib. Finna go and put this thing together. I still didn't stop and get it down there. I'm tripping. Alright, so we're gonna drop his off. He actually gave us like a helpful tip. I guess as we're installing ours, he said don't take it off some blocks or something because it's gonna be hell. I guess when you put the wheels on or something, so. Alrighty. So let's get busy. This is the unboxing. Y'all seen it on the website. The box is about this tall from the ground. They come with these straps and shit. Come with these straps and shit. This is the LS review. Let me find. Get my DA is about to float. But yeah, that should go onto the curb tonight. I ain't fooling with it. I ain't fooling with it. But yeah, trash day tomorrow, so it's perfect. We can go ahead and get rid of the evidence. Miss LS ain't gonna know what the hell happened. Like, oh, the compressor sounds a little bit quieter. Yeah, I know, right? I put some oil in it. All right, so open the box. You got instructions. You got cardboard. You got plastic. I mean, for the most part, I mean, it should be together. You know what I mean? Like, I don't foresee it just being in 1,000 pieces. You know what I mean? So this box started to raise up, so yeah, you can take the box off like that. Just lift up if you're tall enough. If you ain't tall enough, you might need some assistance. Yeah, just lift it up from the bottom. Bing bong. Let me use 2 hands though. All right, looking deeper down into the box. This is on the side. See, yeah. That's part of something that goes to something. I think this is like for holding something on the sides. Like, I don't really too much care about that. I just need some wheels. But yeah, see those screw on like right there. You can see, boom, boom. And then I think it's one on the other side. Well, it's already installed. Boom, boom. I think this is the part where we might want to consult some directions. Stand fast. Stand by. Alright, so that was pretty straightforward. Basically, what you want to do is you want to make sure you leave it on that styrofoam until you get the wheels on. Do not, or you will have a hard time. It says lay it on its back and then put the wheels on. I guess you could do that too, but if you just lift it up, put the bolt through, tighten it down, you should be good to go. Get the wheels on. And I mean, that's pretty much it for assembly. You know what I'm saying? Unless you want to put the little joint on the side. Me personally, I'm probably not gonna worry about it. So, where were we? Yes, so back to the instructions. Gotta break it in. Turn the power switch off, unplug the power cord, fully open the drain valve, plug in the power cord, turn the power switch on, let the unit run for 30 minutes. Air will expel freely through the drain valve. Turn the power switch off, unplug the power cord, and close the drain valve. So, before I do that, I'm gonna just get it over there in position where it's gonna live at, and then go from there. The valve is right to hit down here at the bottom. In the front, easy to access. As is the rest of your controls, etc., etc. So let me get it over here in position. I'll cut you back on in my sprayway voice. All right. So I pretty much got it into its living spot. Had to move some stuff around. They need to be moved around anyway. So we're gonna go ahead and follow the break-in procedures, like I said. Make sure the switch is in the off position, off on switch there. Had this in the open position, which I believe is down. Yep. Which is down. And then pretty much plug it in like that. Plug it in like that, and then it said to let run for, I believe it was 30 minutes. Yeah, let the unit run for 30 minutes. Air will expel freely through the drain valve. Then come back, turn it off, unplug the cord, and close drain valve. So